Hello, everyone, and good morning. My name is Christian.
And I'm Caroline.
And I'm Evan.
Thank you for coming to our Saturday help session. We will start by presenting a tutorial that we have made.
Today's tutorial is about how to make your smart home devices, how to make your house smart with smart devices. We'll be going over how smart homes work and the features that are useful. Please remember to keep your mic muted and video off. Let's begin. Introduction Smart Home Kit, presented by ITeens.
Today, we will cover number 1, the usefulness of smart devices, number 2, basic and advanced smart devices, and number 3, a smart home kit.
Number 1, usefulness of smart home devices.
What is it? With technology being a key component in our lives, smart devices are increasingly common within homes. Here are some benefits of smart devices within your house.
Usefulness of smart devices. From turning on your lights to controlling your temperature from your phone, there are hundreds of smart options that you can have. Most smart devices communicate through a chain of connections, such as an app, a bridge, a voice assistant, or through the device itself.
Smart devices can help you with many daily tasks, such as convenience, having pre-programmed routines at specific times of the day. For example, when you activate I'm leaving routine, your lights can turn off, your garage door can open, and the temperature will change in your house. And easily control your devices through a single platform, such as an app or voice assistant.
Before we move on, any questions?
Number 2, basic and advanced smart devices.
What is it? First, we will cover basic smart devices and how to set up most of them. Then we will go over more advanced devices. Here is a step-by-step system of setting up your smart home that we created.
Basic and advanced smart devices. With either basic or advanced smart systems, you need to have the following in place: products, a control method, and routines to control them.
Step number 1, products. Basics. Listed are basic smart products that control functions such as on and off. All of these products replace the normal product, except it can be controlled through your phone.
Most of these products can be found on Amazon from $20 to $100 and could control your lights, fans, appliances, etc.
Advanced products. Here are more advanced smart devices that can include help from professionals. With professionals' help, these devices, just like mentioned earlier, work similar, if not the same, to how a regular device would work.
For these products, prices range much higher, from 200 plus.
Step 2. Control method. Now that you have learned about a few smart devices, you should know that most of them require a control method.
Some smart devices require a bridge. Note, a bridge is usually a transmitter that connects to your router and the mobile app so that the smart device can communicate.
Another control method, which is the most common, is via the mobile app for the product. This can easily be set up by downloading the specific app on either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store.
The last control method we will cover is a smart assistant. From Amazon's Alexa to Apple's Siri, these assistants can simply control your devices through a command. For example, you can say, "Alexa, turn on the kitchen lights," and your kitchen lights will turn on.
Step number 3, routines. Another useful feature when using smart devices are the routine options. These are infinitely customizable based on your needs of your smart home.
It works by seeking a specific command and running the following tasks. Common methods of completing routines can be made using Alexa, Siri, or IFTTT, if this, then that software.
For example, when you say, "Alexa, good morning," lights can turn on, temperatures adjust, music can play, and the daily news is played. Note that some of these features will not happen if you do not customize them.
Before we move on, any questions?
Number 3, Smart Home Kit.
What is it? Now that we have covered the usefulness of smart devices and the types of products, we have compiled a basic smart home starter kit. This kit can be expanded on for customization.
Step 1, products. As we mentioned earlier, products are the first step when it comes to your smart home kit. Below are 2 smart home kits that we recommend.
Step number 2 is the control method. Here we have the Alexa Echo Dot by Amazon.
Some routines that we have compiled for you are Alexa, good morning. Here it can turn on your Philips Hue lights, turn on a coffee maker through a smart plug, and tell you the weather and traffic. Another example is Alexa, good night. It can also turn off your Philips Hue lights, turn on a bed lamp through one smart plug, and turn on an air purifier, also through a smart plug.
Here are the links to all of the products included with this smart home kit. tinyurl.com/iteens-smart home. We will also be providing this link in the chat.
We hope you all enjoyed our tutorial today. Please type ask in the chat box to enter into a breakout room. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.